In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a bill in Clio Manage. Voiding a bill is a helpful way to correct billing mistakes while preserving a clear record in your system. Unlike deleting, which removes data entirely, voiding marks the bill as no longer valid and prevents further action on it, which is ideal for maintaining accurate records and audit trails. Start by opening Clio Manage and heading to the billing area. You'll find billing on the left sidebar. This is your central hub for all invoices, so it's the best place to locate the bill you need to update. If you're working with a long list, use filters or search by client, bill number, or date to narrow things down quickly. Next, open the bill you want to void. Take a moment here to ensure you're in the correct invoice. Look for familiar details like the client name, matter, and total. Verifying now helps avoid changes to the wrong file. Once the bill is open, move to the top right corner of the screen and click More Actions. This menu contains additional options for managing the invoice. From this menu, select Void Bill. Choosing this option starts the voiding process and brings up a confirmation step. Before you confirm, review the bill details one more time. Check the client, the associated matter, the invoice date, and the total amount. If anything looks off, go back and make sure you've selected the right bill. Voiding is intended to be a final action that keeps the record, but stops any further use of the invoice. When you're certain, confirm that you want to void the bill. Depending on your firm's settings, this action may be irreversible, so it's important to be confident before proceeding. If you work in a team, make sure you have the appropriate permissions to void bills. To complete the process, click Void to finalize the action. Clio will process your choice and update the bill accordingly. This usually happens quickly, but give it a moment if needed. Finally, verify that the bill status has been updated to voided. You should see the status on the bill itself and in the billing list. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or return to the billing screen and check the status column or apply a filter for voided invoices. Keeping an eye on the status ensures your records remain accurate and consistent. That's all there is to it. You've successfully voided a bill in Clio Manage. Thanks for watching.